everybody, Dave here from British Trucking. Welcome to the channel. Just in the midst of finding somewhere to turn round. I've got a difficult tip to do, and hopefully I can get some footage of it because it's a pretty unusual one. I've got to tip some concrete down the side of a big hill. Hoping I can turn around here somewhere. I'll be able to turn around here. Beacon's on. I would have been able to turn around there, only a cars just drove into there. Brilliant. Great fun. Hopefully he's out of my way. Pretty busy road this, only there's a weight limit further down, but the customer said I can turn around here hopefully, and hopefully I can. As that car's moved out of my way. Which it looks like he has, so that's good. It's okay. Got to go back up the road. It's on a nasty bend as well, which is never good. So it will be beacons on, hazards on, and fingers crossed, I think. I've turned the lorry round is I want to be tipping the concrete, not standing out in the middle of the road and not being able to see where the concrete's going, because it's going to be going down a big hill. So here goes. Hopefully I'll get some good footage for you. Well, I think this is one of the most bizarre tips I've ever done. Down the side of a mountain, oh my god. Oh well, all good fun. It's actually quite a clever setup, having the made up slide going down the side of the hill, because there's no way to get a concrete mixer down there, but it's such an awkward place to get to, such an awkward job. Yeah, it's judging the amount of concrete going down the slope that it doesn't sort of pile up at the bottom, so it's one of them jobs that's going to take a lot of time and just do a little bit at a time. This going into barrows now, so that's going to be fun. getting quite a good rhythm going now. That's pretty good. I've got it judged pretty much how much concrete for a barrow to come out. Fill the 3 chutes on the truck, let that go down, and then that's just about spot on, so seems to be working. Well, everything seems to be going smoothly, and tell you what, it's blooming hard work watching them push them barrows. It's a long way for the concrete to drop. It must be 60 foot down there, but it's definitely different. Looks like they're making some sort of toboggan turn now, so it'll be interesting if this works. Just making this a bit wetter now to see if it'll make the bend and see if it'll carry on down the toboggan turn. Woo. Well, we managed to do the one pad. They're now turning the toboggan round another way so that we can try and reach the other pad. Great fun. Cool's that? Got a cup of tea as well. Living the dream, living the dream. Looks like we're nearly done. What a job. Cool stuff. Right, that's that job done. Just a little bit more left, so he just wants it in a tub. And then I can get the hell out of here. Awkward on a blind bend like this, but never mind, we'll get rid of it. Thankfully there's somebody stopping the traffic, which is good. So much traffic I can't get out the cab. There we go. Okay, all I've got to do now is wash the chutes off. Whew. Oh my goodness me. I've got to do in the hedge here somewhere. Luckily it's his hedge, so I'll do off the road as much as I can possibly get. Right, wash the chutes off. Whew, and we're done. Oh, all done. Right. Right, let's get going. Time for the next job. Well, time for dinner, I think, after that one. Come on then, mister, if you're coming past me. Well, whew, I feel shattered. I was only dropping the concrete down the chute. Oh dear. Not very often we get jobs like that, but it was an interesting one, wasn't it? Down the side of a mountain. Oh well, that's it. That's the video for today. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, it'd be great to have you subscribing, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.